Good morning, students. Exercise 6.1 remaining three sums. Sixth sum. See there pie chart. How to draw the pie chart? A survey gives the following information of food items preferred by people. Draw a pie chart. They are given in the tabular column. This is the question. Items: vegetables, meat, salad, fruits, pots, bread. Number of peoples prepared: vegetable 160, 90, 80, 50, 30, 40. So how to draw the first work? Pie chart that ask means step 1 you write. First column, second column. For second column, number of people is there given. You write it here, total number of peoples. What the writer? Total number of people is equal to given all the value you add and write. 160 plus 90 plus 80 plus 50 plus 30 plus 40. Add and write, get it, the answer is 450. Addition first work. Second step, formula you write it. Central angle of a component equal to value of the component divided by total value into 360 degree. All the questions for you write it the second step, same step only. Value of the component divided by total value into 360 degree. Next you prepare the column step 3. Step 3, prepare the tabular column. See the question from what is there given? Tabular column, 2 tabular column is there given. Item, number of people. So first you write it the column item. Next number of people. After you write it the central angle is another one column. Given the tabular column from 3, you prepare the 3 columns. All the sum for 3 columns only. Items, number of people and central angle. What is there given? Vegetable, meat, salad, fruits. Continuously write. Number of people 160, 90, 80, 50, 30, 40. Okay. So next total you write. Add the next column all the values. 0, 0, 0, 0. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 23 plus 5, 28. 28 plus 3, 31. 31 plus 4, 35. Remaining 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Remaining 3, 5 you write. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 450 is the answer. First work is completed. Second work very easy. One time listen, very easy the sum. So, okay, yeah. Now central angle right after. What is the first values are given? 160. You write it 160. 160 first you write divided by. What is the answer? 450 is the answer. So divided by 450 you write. Divided by 450. Next one 90. Second column is 90 divided by 450. What is the total? You write it the answer. First here 80 divided by, come the total value is 450 right here. 450. Next 50 divided by 450. 30 divided by 450. 40 divided by 450. Next work into you write. What is the right there? Into all the sum for into central angle for pie chart is refer the circular graph. So here write in one circle making angle equal to 360. So here write in 360. Here formula to only write it the answer. What is the formula there? Value of the component. Value of the component divided by total value. Value of the component is, what is the component there? 160 divided by total value equal to 450 into 360 is the formula to write it there. 360 degree. Must you write it the degree. Degree not right means sum is wrong. 360 degree. Value of the component divided by total value into 360 is the formula. 360. Next, do in the cancellation. Cancellation is very, very easy. First 0, 0 you strike out. Okay, first this 2, 0 you strike out. 0, 0 you strike out. 145 is 45. Full 360. 845 are 360. 845 are 360. First work 0, 0 you strike out. 145 is 45. 845 are 360 degree. 360. So now what is the number is remaining there? 16 into 8. 16 into 8 equal to 6 8s are 48. Remaining 4. 1 8 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 128 degree. So nearby or small line you write in, there you write in 128 degree. Next step 0 0 cancel. 145 is 45. 845 are 360. What is the number is balance there? 9 into 8. 9 8s are 72 degree. So that number straightly you write it here 72 degree. Next, the same work. Correct. 0 0 strike out. 145 is 45. 855 are 36 degree. 36. So remaining number is 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 into 8 equal to 64 degree. The same answer here. Addition for the right separately. 64 degree. Next, 0 0 strike out. 145 is 45. 845 are 360 degree. So 5 into 8 equal to 5 8s are 40 degree. Same also 0 0 strike out. 145 is 45. 845 are 36. So 3 into 8 equal to 24 degree. 3 into 8 equal to 24 degree. 0 0 0 8. 4 8s are 32 degree. Write it the answer there. Here answer is 40 degree. Here 24 degree. Here 32 degree. Okay, now you add this all the numbers. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 4 14. 14 plus 4 18. 18 plus 2 20. Remaining 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 7 11. 11 plus 6 17. 17 plus 3 21. 21 plus 2 23. 23 plus 3 25. One time count there. Remaining 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 7 11. 11 plus 6 17. 17 plus 4 21. 21 plus 2 23. 23 plus 3 equal to 26. Remaining 2. 2 plus 1 3. So 360 degree. So 360 degree must want to come all the sum for answer 360 degree. Otherwise your sum is wrong. Must want to come the answer is 360 degree. 128 degree, 72 degree, 64 degree, 40 degree, 24 degree, 32 degree, 360 degree. Degree symbol must there important. Next, fourth step, you want to draw the pie chart. How to draw the pie chart? First, you draw a circle. So, compass use and you draw the circle. So, compass use and draw the circle for first one point is there coming, no. So, I keep in the point there to keep the scale and draw one line. For you draw the pie chart. So, first you draw the circle, come the center point. Keep the scale and draw one line there. First step is this work. Come the answer 128 degree is first. 128 degree, how to there measure? See. Keep the point correctly coincide or not check. 120 inside line you see there 120 after you count 121 22 23 24 25 26 27 28. Here keep the point correctly understand or not. Center point you draw a circle, keep the point and draw the line 128 degree. So keep the productor and coincide the line or not check and you measure in 128 degree. Measure after, come the point is outside. So no problem, you join the line. These 2 points correctly coincide. Draw the line. Should not go in the outside. Inside only one, right? This is how much degree there? First answer is 180 degree. What is the answer? Item is there given? Vegetable. Second one, you measure in 72 degree. How to the air measure? See there. Now here draw the line, finish. That keep the productor and measure there. What degree want to measure there? 72 degree. 72 is a acute angle only. So inside line you see there 70, 71, 72. Here you mark the point. Correctly you want to mark the point 72 degree. Draw the line. Here you write in 72 degree meet. Next one you 64 degree. So same only line here finished. That line to you coincide the line. You measure in how much degree there is? 64 degree. 60. Here have the number is 60. Count the number 61, 62, 63, 64. Outside point. So inside only you draw the line. $64 salad. Next 42 degree. This line to you keep the protector. Center point to the center point want to come. Measure the line. How much degree want to measure? 42 degree. 40 here over. Inside point you see there. 40 next 41, 42. Keep the point and draw the line. 42 degree. Fruits. Next measure in 24 degree. Next answer is 24 degree. Correctly keep the point. 20, 20 next 21, 22, 23, 24. Now here last one is there already there given. Correctly come the 32 degree or not check there. Coincide the line here keep in the point. Where to draw the line over there keep the protector and measure in the degree. $30, $31, $32. So correctly come the line. Correctly coming or not check there. Correct. So here you write in 32 degree. Here you write in 24 degree. 24 degree pouts. Last one is bread. Over the work. First what is the work? Compass use and draw the circle. Come the point. First point you draw the line. Small line. Next keep the protector. This line to keep the protector correctly. Center point here only want to touch. 128 degree you want to measure there. Correctly 120 inside. So measure in 120 degree. Next how to keep the protector? Here draw the line after. Rotate the protector first. This center point here want to come. So here come the center point and keep the line coincide. You measure in 72 degree. 72 degree measure after this line to keep the protector. Move and keep there 64 degree. 64 degree draw after that line to keep the protector and measure in 42 degree. Next the same 42 line over after that line to keep the protector correctly and measure in 24 degree. Next 24 degree draw after that line to keep the protector measure in 32 degree. Next question. 7th question. Income from various sources for government of India from a rupee is given below. Draw a pie chart. Given the questions. sources: corporation tax, income tax, customs, excise duties, service tax, others. Income in paise: 19, 16, 9, 14, 10, 32. So step first one, total income. Add the number. Given all the numbers you add and get it, the answer is 100. 19 plus 16 plus 9 plus 14 plus 10 plus 32 equal to 100. First step. Second step, write it the formula. Central angle of a component equal to value of the component divided by total value into 360 degree. Second step. Third step, you prepare the column. First, source, income in paise. Next, you write it the central angle. See here, source, whatever they're given, you write it there. Income also given the value, you write. Next, you write it the total. All the number you add and get the answer is 100. First work is complete. Central angle for value of the component: 19 by 100. 19 divided by total number equal to 100 by 100 into 360 degree. So here any number also not possible to strike out. So easy method is, what is the method? 19 into 360 degree you multiple after you do it the work. See there, 36 into 19, you get it, the answer is multiple and get it, the answer is 6840 divided by, here total value is 100, by 100 you also write. 0 0 you strike out. First work, what is the remaining? 684 divided by 10. So 10 only 1 0, so keep in one digit, point 68.4. Okay, now come the answer is 68.4 degree you write. Small column you prepare and they are separately write. Next, same work, 16 by 100 into 360 degree. So these two number you multiple and get the answer is 5760. 360 into 16, get multiple and get the answer is 5760 divided by 100. First 1 0 you strike out. Remaining answer is 576 divided by 10. So only 1 0, one digit after keep the point, 57.6 degree. The same also next one, 9 by 100 into 360 degree. 9 into 360 you multiply and get the answer is 3240. 3240 divided by 100. 1 0 cancel. Remaining answer is 324 divided by 10. 10 only 1 0. So easy method is 32 point. Given the answer you write after one digit, keep in the point, 32.4 degree. Next one, 10 by 100 into, next one is 14 by 100 into 360 degree. These two also you multiple and get the answer is 5040 divided by 100. So 0 0 cancel. The same condition, point of 50.4. See there, 1 0 1 0 you strike out. 504 divided by 10. So 1 0 for, how do they write? Write it the answer 0.4 degree, 54.4 degree. Next one, 10 by 100 into 360 degree. This is very easy. Directly strike out here. 0 1 0 1 0 cancel. Next is 0, next is 0 cancel. Remaining number is, what is the number? 1 into 36 equal to, what is the answer? 36 degree. Next, 32 divided by 100 into 360 degree. 32 into 360 degree, you multiply and get the answer. Yes, what is the answer there? 11520, 11,520. So divided by 100. 1 0 1 0 cancel. Remaining number is, what is the number? 1152 divided by 10. Only 1 0. So how do they write? 115.2 degree. 115.2 degree. This all the answer right there. 68.4 degree, 54.6 degree, 32.4 degree, 50.4 degree, 36 degree, 115.2 degree. This 36 after not have the number, you write it in the 0.0. Why here all the number is decimal number, for you keep the point and write it the 0. First your sum is correct or not, check. Add the number, all the number add. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. 20, you write it 0. Next point, remaining is, what is the number? 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 19 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 0. Remaining 2. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 24, remaining is 3. Add and write 3 plus 6, 9. 30, remaining 3. 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 22 plus 3, 25. 25 plus 1, 26. Remaining 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So answer is 360 degree. So the 0 is no valuable, you strike out. You add and get the answer is 360 degree come. Your answer is correct, otherwise sum is wrong. Now you draw the pie chart. How to draw the pie chart? The last sum doing no same method only. You draw a circle, come the center point, that you draw in one radius. First you draw the one radius. First work this work. This is called the radius. You measure in, here come the answer is 68.4 degree. 4 is how to the measure? Not possible. So here point after have the numbers 5 or 5 above, you check. Below 5 only, so you measure in 68 degree only. First you measure. You measure in 68 degree. Keep the product in center point and measure in 68 degree. 68 only measure, point after below 5 only, so you measure in now 68 degree. 68, 60, 61. Next count there, 61, 62, 63, 68. Here only there come. So keep the point and draw the line. How to draw the line? Should not come the line in outside. So correctly touching there, you draw the line. 68 degree. What is that given in the sources? Corporation tax. So you write in corporation tax. Next, how do they keep the product? Now here draw finished. So this line for only want to coincide. Keep the center point and line coincide or not, check. What degree there? 57.6. Now this number is above 5. So 57 for you, what degree want to measure now? 58 degree you measure and draw. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So here only come the line. Draw the line. $58 degree. Income tax. Next, keep the productor. How to they keep this line? Want to coincide here. 32.4 degree. Next one is, what is the answer? 32.4. Point after below 5 only. So you consider in 32 only here. Here measure in 32 degree. 30, 31, 32. Here measure in 32 degree and join the line. 32 degree customs. Next one, exercise duties. 50.4. 50.4 point after half the number is below 5 only. So you consider in 50 only here. 50 degree. Draw the line. 50 degree exercise duties. Exercise duties. Next one, service tax. Service tax 36 degree. 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Join the line. $36 service tax. Next, 115 degree. Other is they are given in 115 degree. 2 is below 5. So you consider in 115 only. So keep the productor here. 115 is correctly come or not, check there. 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So correctly come the line before line. Okay, leave it. Here you write in 115 degree others. Okay. First, what is the right? Add the number and get it the answer. Next you write in the formula. Next prepare the column. Here cycode the number very carefully and watch below 5 should not consider 68. Above 5, 6 here have. So here add in 57 plus 1 equal to 58 degree. Next question. Monthly expenditures of Kumaran's family is given below. Draw a suitable pie chart. Particulars: food, education, rent, transport, miscellaneous. So percentage only they are given. Expenses in percentage: 50 percentage, 20 percentage, 15, 5, 10 percentage. First step is add the number. So how to they write a step 1? Total expenses. Given the second value you add and write, get it, the answer is 100 percentage. Here put in the percentage symbol also. 100 percentage. Central angle, write it the formula. Value of the component divided by total value into 360 is the second step. Third step, given the particular one column. Next, expenses, central angle. Particulars: food, education, rent, transport, miscellaneous. You write it the answer. Next, 50 percentage, 20, whatever they are given you write. Add the number. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. Next remaining one, 6, 8, 9, 10. 100 percentage. So correctly come the 100 percentage. Central angle right. How do they write 50 here? Given in the 50. Come the answer is by 100 into 360 degree. Next, 20 by 100. Come the total value only you write into 360 degree. 15 by 100 into 360 degree. 5 by 100 into 360 degree. 10 by 100 into 360 degree. Cycode the number. Very easy. First 0, first 0. Second 0, second 0. First 0, first. Second table use and cut. 2 5s are 10. 5 here you write. 1 2 is 2, remaining 1, 8 2s are 16. So 15 into 18. 1 5 is 5, 3 5s are 15. So come the answer is 3 into 18. 3 into 18. Next 1 0 0 cancel. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2, remaining 1, 8 2s are 16. 1 into 18 equal to 18. 1 into 18. 0 0 0 0. 1 into 36. Next you multiply and write. What is the remaining number is there? Have 5 into 36. 5 into 36 equal to 180 degree. What is the answer? 180 degree. Next 2 into 36 equal to 72. Here you write in 72. Next 3 into 18 equal to 54. 54 degree. 1 into 18 equal to 18. 18 degree. Next 136 is 36. 36 degree. Next here write it the total. Total right after you add the number. Come the answer is 360 degree must want to come. 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 2 20, remaining 2. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 5 22, 23, 26, remaining 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 360 degrees come the answer. So your sum is correct. Now you draw the pie chart. Pie chart for what is the first answer? 180 degree. First draw the circle, come the center point to first you draw the radius. First small radius you draw. You measure in 180 degree. You measure in 180 degree. 180 degree is the straight line only. See there. Keep the projector here correctly and measure here. So join this line. This is 180 degree. Half circle. 180 degree is what is there given there? Food. 180 degree is food. Next 72 degree. Measure in 72 degree. Keep the projector. Turn and keep there and measure in 72 degree. '70, 71, 72. So now you join the line. '72 degree education. Next 54 degree. Next 51, 52, 53, 54. I draw the circle, correctly come the point circle. So small you draw the circle, come the point is outside only, that is correct only. Join the line very carefully there. Here write in 54 degree. 54 degree is rent. Next 18 degree. 10 next you count and there come the point there 18 degree. Now join the line. This is 18 degree. 18 degree is transport. Remaining is what is that one? 36 degree. Correctly come there. You check there. Miscellaneous. Miscellaneous. Now 3 sums over. Continuous. They are asking 3 questions. Find the amount spent for education if Kannan spends rupees 6,000 for rent. rent percentage is 15%. 15% of total expenditures is equal to, they are given in 6,000. 15 by 100. 15% write in 15 by 100. Of symbol is into. Total expenditures amount is don't know, you write it x is equal to 6,000. X equal to 6,000 into change into the division 15 by 100. 6,000 in division change into the into 100 by 15. Next fraction write it the reciprocal. 115 is 15, 4 15s are 60, x are 20, the right. 400 into 100 equal to 1 4 is 4, total number of the zeros is 40. So 40,000. 40,000 is total expenditure amount equal to 40,000. Otherwise you take in total salary also. The amount spent for education is equal to 20% of total expenditure. 20% of symbol is into total expenditure is 40,000. 2020 cancel. 2 4s are 8. 1 2 3 0 total 0 is 3. So 8,000. Next question, what is the total salary of the Kumaran? Total salary equal to 40,000. How much did he spend more for food than education? 15% of total salary, 50 by 100 of into total salary 40,000. Strike out the numbers. 5 4s are 20 first you write. Total number of the zeros 3 zeros. So 20,000. He spent for food and education. So you write it first 20,000 minus 8,000. So 20,000 minus 8,000 equal to 12,000. 20,000 minus education for their amount equal to 8,000 spent there. So 20,000 minus 8,000 equal to 12,000.